Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Tally on your mobile phone. First, download the official Tally mobile application from your device's App Store. Once installed, open the app and log in using your credentials. Make sure your Tally desktop data is properly synchronized to ensure all your latest financial information is accessible on your mobile device. This setup ensures seamless access to your business accounts. Once logged in, you'll find a user-friendly interface designed for quick access. You can easily view essential reports such as ledgers, profit and loss statements, and your balance sheet. The app also allows you to record new vouchers, including sales, purchases, and payment entries, directly from your phone. Utilize the powerful search function to locate any transaction or account with ease. Entering data on the go is straightforward. You can quickly input sales and purchase invoices, along with payment and receipt vouchers, directly into the app. Tally on Mobile also empowers you to generate instant financial reports, providing a real-time overview of your business performance. These reports can be securely shared with colleagues or clients through various communication platforms. Security is paramount when managing financial data. Always protect your Tally mobile application with a strong password or a secure PIN. It's crucial to regularly back up your Tally data to prevent any potential loss of information. Additionally, ensure your app is always updated to the latest version to benefit from new features and enhanced security measures, keeping your financial data safe.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.